Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a Trinidadian street food favorite, doubles. Get ready to learn how to make this delicious dish right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our ingredients for the bara. You will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup warm water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's make the bara. Step 1. Activate the yeast by adding it to the warm water. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients, flour, turmeric, and salt, in a bowl. Step 3. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Step 4. Let the dough proof in a warm place until it has doubled in size. Next we prepare the flavorful channa. For this, you'll need 2 cups of chickpeas, soaked overnight and boiled, 1 chopped onion, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1 inch of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, optional, whole, salt to taste, water, and oil. Let's cook the channa. Step 1. Sauté the onions, garlic, and ginger in oil. Step 2. Add the aromatic spices, curry powder, cumin, and garam masala. Step 3. Stir in the boiled chickpeas and Scotch bonnet pepper. Step 4. Simmer until the channa is tender and the gravy has thickened. Finally, let's assemble our doubles. Step 1. Gently warm the bara on a tawa or pan. Step 2. Spoon a generous amount of channa onto the bara. Step 3. Add your favorite toppings like cucumber chutney and pepper sauce. Step 4. And now, it's time to enjoy your homemade Trinidadian doubles. That's how you make delicious doubles at home. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more recipes, and share it with your friends who love Trinidadian food. Enjoy!